Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through unlocking Trevor in GTA 5 story mode. If you have been playing as Michael and Franklin and wondering where the third character is, don't worry, he is locked behind a specific point in the story. Let's jump right into it. You cannot simply drive to Sandy Shores to find him. You must complete the first major heist in the game. Continue playing the main story missions marked with M and F until you reach the jewel store job. This is the mission where you rob Vangelico using gas or guns. Once you successfully complete the heist and secure the take, you are ready to trigger the next phase. After the heist, the game will usually switch you to Michael or leave you as Michael. Go to Michael's house in Rockford Hills. Enter the living room to trigger a celebration cutscene with Lester. During this cutscene, the game will automatically transition to a new perspective in the desert. This immediately starts the mission Mr. Phillips. You are now playing as Trevor for the first time, but he isn't fully unlocked for free roam yet. Complete the Mr. Phillips mission objectives. Kill the bikers, drive the truck, and push the trailer into the river. Drive to Ron's place to finish the mission. Once the Mission Passed screen appears, Trevor is permanently unlocked. You can now switch to him anytime by holding the character wheel button and selecting the top or orange sector. And that's it! You have now unleashed the wildest character in Los Santos. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.